Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making deviled eggs. You will need 6 eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of dill relish, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of paprika. Add your water to a pot, then bring your water to a rolling boil. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature, then add them to your water one by one, then allow them to cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, turn off your heat, then rinse your eggs under cold water. Allow your eggs to sit for 10 minutes before peeling. After your eggs have cooled, cut them in half and separate your yolks. Using a fork, mash your yolks until they have a crumb-like consistency. Now add your mayonnaise, relish, and mustard, then mix until well combined. Season with your salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Now evenly fill your egg halves. Sprinkle your eggs with your paprika, then they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.